Hey guys, so I just wanted to say welcome to the new channel. I'm only making this channel for what I want it for is to show the videos of the chainsaws that I'm going to be selling, running, and whatever else. But if I come across some repairs, like there's a John Deere 55V that there was no information about it, so if I come across something like that, I definitely will share what I think needs to be shared so everyone can have that information. But it'll mainly be like for sale posts. So if there's something that you see, it'll mostly be like vintage to mid-90s chainsaws. But if you see something that you want, just comment, leave a like. Mostly everything will be posted on eBay. I try to get them into running condition. They're not going to be perfect, just running condition, probably cutting. I have nowhere to test. Not right now anyways, but it'll be running condition, usually with your bar and chain, how they always come. A lot of it'll be home lights. There's some Husqvarnas, like there's a Husqvarna 371 XP that's for sale right now. That'll probably be the next video that I do, because people are asking for the video on eBay. But yeah, welcome. If you want some repair videos, I'll try to make some repair videos, but I mostly do a lot of stuff at work because I don't have the room at home. Like, I do it on the kitchen table. So, yeah, leave a like, subscribe for more, obviously. Welcome to anybody that does subscribe. We are in Quebec, Canada. Obviously, you can see the E. But yeah, welcome in. Just a short little video to say hi, what this channel is going to be about. All right, I'll catch you in the next one.